Hi everybody, good morning. MDTV again. Right, totally different to usual. I actually have done this once before if you want to look back on previous videos, but I'm going to do it again because what happened is that Electric Mobility, they were offering a certificate of lifetime battery guarantee. We will put this up on screen, so don't worry, but they're not the only ones now. XL, they're also doing it on some of the bigger scooters. Now, Electric Mobility will also be doing it on some of their bigger scooters as well. So what's happening is that a standard scooter comes with a lead-acid battery. We all know about those, but I'm going to explain anyway. Then you get people who actually sell the lightweight scooters with the lithium-ion batteries on. Now, they're the ones with the cobalt in. And then you also get people who are now doing ferrophosphate batteries. The reason that a lot of people these two companies have gone over to ferrophosphate batteries is that they are, in the event of something going wrong and they're in a fire, they don't actually get thermal runaway once the battery bursts. What happens with the lithium-ion battery with cobalt in, as soon as it hits the atmosphere and it actually ignites, it'll just keep burning and burning and burning, and it's very, very difficult to put them out. So Rascal and XL decided that they were going to go for the ferrophosphate batteries. They're very ever so slightly heavier, but nothing to be remarkably worried about. And they've gone down that route. And there are some advantages, which is why I'm going to try and explain to you what the differences are. The lithium-ion batteries on these scooters are perfectly safe because it's all about temperature. When you charge a lithium-ion battery, if it gets too hot, eventually it will burn. It's as simple as that. So mainly the fires, I mean, when you look at the statistics of how many fires there were with including mobility scooters, and remember there's hundreds and hundreds sold every year, it was only something like about 55, 60, according to the fire brigade, that set on fire. And actually some of them were set on fire on purpose for whatever reason, which, it was arson, and we're not here to debate that. So we all know that the lead-acid batteries, they're absolutely fine. You go and do your shopping, you park your scooter up, you plug them in, and you can leave them indefinitely and nothing's going to happen. With your lithium-ion batteries, we always suggest they've got a really good safe management system in. However, don't leave them overnight. They're perfectly safe to do that, but don't leave them overnight. When you've used it, charge it up for a few hours and then take it off, and then it's got plenty of power in it for the next time. So let's just go through this little chart that we've got here. Now, we are going to put this up on the screen. I've got it upside down here. When it says these numbers along this row at the bottom, this is the amount of times that you can actually charge the batteries a full cycle, and that's how long they last. So with a normal seal lead-acid battery, you're going to charge that up about 300 times, and it'll work perfectly fine. Now, what that means is that the lead-acid batteries, you're going to get 18 months, 2 years, 3 years out of them, no problem at all. Then actually when you go onto your lithium-ion batteries, this is the one with the cobalt in it, the ones that can burn and will burn fiercely if something seriously went wrong, they're actually nearly, not quite twice as long as that, but you're going to get sort of up to 600 charges on them. But if you look after them, you're going to get quite a number of years out of a lithium-ion battery. It could be 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, could even be 7 or 8 years. If you go on to the ferrophosphate batteries, it goes right the way up here, and you're more or less doubling that. So this is why people like Rascal and people like XL, they're quite happy to give the initial purchaser of the scooter. I'm actually sat on one of the Rascal scooters. When you buy this scooter brand new, it's guaranteed for the life. So it's guaranteed for the life of the scooter, and it's guaranteed for for as long as you keep it in your possession and you're the original purchaser. Your batteries are going to be guaranteed. If something did go wrong with the batteries, you just get some new ones. It's as simple as that. So I hope that makes that pretty understandable. You're just going to get much more life out of a battery than you are out of a lithium battery, and even more. You know, you get even less when you it's a standard lead acid. The other bigger disadvantage, of course, with the lead acid is they're quite heavy. The lithium ones are the lightest. The ferrophosphate ones are slightly heavier, but they're nowhere near as heavy as the lead acid. They're only about 15–20% heavier than the lithium-ion ones. Any questions on that? You've got the telephone numbers. They're going to come along the bottom of the screen. Give us a ring at the Gisborough shop. Ask for me, and I'll do my best to try and explain it. If there's anybody out there who actually has more technical ability or understanding of than me, and they want to talk to me, that's absolutely fine. We don't mind being criticised. We try and get it right. If we get it wrong, tell us, and we'll put things right. So thanks for your time, and we'll see you in the next video.